The new 2026 Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro, toughness upgraded with hybrid tech and trail credentials. Ready to find out what makes it irreplaceable? The 2026 Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro exterior showcase walk-around shots with sharpening edges and iconic TRD cues. The Tacoma stands its ground. An aggressive grille, red accented skid plates, distinctive TRD cracks, and bold 33-inch A/T tires atop exclusive 18-inch wheels make its rugged intent clear. Choose from signature colors like Wavemaker Blue, and you're not blending in. 2026 Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro interior and comfort, cockpit and cabin panning. It's built for real-world adventure. Heated and ventilated sport seats with TRD embroidery, a 14-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay/Android Auto, and practical touches like AUX ports, auxiliary switch bank, trail cams, and JBL audio put comfort and control in your hands. The power and performance, driving and acceleration shots. Powering the TRD Pro is Toyota's new iForce Max hybrid team, a 2.4L turbocharged engine paired with an electric motor, delivering 326 horsepower and 465 lb-ft of torque. That translates to quick sprints, smooth towing capability, and around 7.1 seconds for 0 to 60 miles per hour without sacrificing fuel savings. 2026 Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro, the off-road features, spotlight undercarriage and suspension. Toyota didn't hold back. Fox 2.5-inch QS3 shocks, a locking rear differential, red forged control arms, and reinforced skid plates ensure this truck coexists comfortably between freeway and primal trail. Crawl control and multi-terrain select let the Tacoma handle the path, so you don't have to. Safety and summary, wrap-up driving imagery, safety is just as capable. Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 offers adaptive cruise, lane tracing, emergency braking, and more. Add to that 6,000 pounds towing and nearly 1,700 pounds payload, and you've got everyday usefulness wrapped in purpose-built performance. The 2026 Tacoma TRD Pro brings together hybrid efficiency, TRD toughness, and next-gen tech. For trails, work, or weekend escape, this truck knows no compromise.